Hey y'all, welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I just wanted to plan some makeup, get some first impressions. So if you're interested, let's go. So I went to Ulta on Black Friday and I'm like, this is a really good time to go to Ulta. I just got back from tour. I usually go and buy makeup when I come back from tour. It's just like my thing, like a treat to myself. So I got a lot of makeup, pretty much a full face, but no discounts. Everything I picked was not a discount. I'm gonna start with the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. It's supposed to hydrate, so I definitely need that in my life right now because I don't know about y'all, but anytime I travel, my skin is like, it's too much. And I don't understand. If you travel, let me know how your skin reacts. If it reacts bad, let me know what you do to get your life together, because I don't know at this point. You know, obviously it's a face oil, so as a first impression, I mean, the smell, it smells good. Kind of smells like roses. Kind of smells like something your grandma kept in her medicine cabinet. It doesn't stink, but it yeah. I'm gonna be using the Butter Me Up palette from Colourpop. First, I'm gonna go in with Silk Street. It's just like a nice lavendery, you know. Just gonna put that in my crease. I don't think I've ever used Colourpop shadows. Color's going on really good. There's no patchiness, which really irks my nerves. So that's a plus. I like to take it up to the front of my eyebrow a little, just because I have hooded eyes and I have to make my cut crease a little higher just so you can still see it. So I have to take the color up a little higher so you can still see, you know, what's going on. Next, I'm gonna use Stay Golden. I'm just using it to blend it out so it's not so harsh. And these colors go so good together. Literally the perfect shade to blend it out. And then I'm gonna go in with Reckless. I'm gonna put that in my crease. You really don't know what you're gonna get when you go in and buy something. So it feels good when you actually end up liking what you got. It's I don't know how makeup return policies work, but I kind of feel like once you open up some makeup, it's yours, you know? You can't just be taking back used makeup. These glitters are way too cute not to use, so I'm gonna just cut my crease real quick. I'm using my go-to, my Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Amber. I'm gonna go in with Paradiso real quick just to use it as a base. Now I'm gonna use the Overpacked. These glitters are so bomb. I mean, look, can you see that? Hello, do you see that? I mean, come on. So bomb. Can you see that? So I'm gonna go in with this one. It's Island Hoppin'. I'm gonna go back in with that Reckless shade just to hit these edges to blend everything in. And I'm gonna use Silk Street to put in between. So I just popped on some lashes and some liner. I use my favorite liner favorite liner. It is the Physicians Formula Waterproof Ultra Fine Liquid Liner. And it is so bomb. And it's in the shade Blackest Black. To start off with the face, I'm gonna use the Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. Ooh. Okay. Wow. I don't know what's in this, but my face is so smooth. Okay, Catrice. It says Velvet Smooth Primer with Soft Focused Effect. It is velvety smooth. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Born to Glow Foundation. So I just like looked online and I Googled like foundation match. And this little website came up and it gave me a bunch of options as to like the brands, the shades, all of that. So this was actually the shade that it recommended. So we're about to find out. This is super easy to blend out and it looks good. I really like how that foundation laid and it's like super smooth. I would say it's like a medium coverage, but I like the way it looks. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Juvias Place concealer. Mine is in the shade 17. Does it have a name? Nope, it doesn't. So I have their foundation, but I never got the concealer. And this looks really light. But we'll find out. It wasn't too dry or too watery. Like, I feel like it was just right. And it was easier to blend out than I thought it was gonna be because it looked super light, but it's not as light as I thought it was after I blended it out. So I didn't get any new powder just because I already have like some that I really like. So I'm gonna go in with the Collab powder. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer, and this is in the shade Warm. Let me tell you something funny. So I went on Black Friday, I seen it and I'm like, that's a pretty decent size. And I'm like, okay, let me get it. So I get home, I noticed another bag on my table of makeup. I look inside and what do I find? Yet another Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer. So I'll just keep it. I kind of feel like bronzer is bronzer in a way. Like, I feel like you can you can have favorites, but at the end of the day, like, bronzer is bronzer. So I like it. Next, I'm going to use the Catrice and Eman Cheeky Blush Palette. These are the shades. Kind of feeling the brownish tone in here. Whoa, that was a lot. So that's all 4 shades. I mean, they look really pretty. And I'm gonna go in with the Airspun Loose Face Highlighter, and this is in the shade Glow for Gold. I've already used this. I didn't get a new highlighter either. Honestly, I just forgot. And for lips, I'm gonna use the Essence This Is Nude number 7 Enough. Super pretty. This went on so good, and it's such a pretty shade, and it makes your teeth whiter. And then I'm gonna use the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. This is super black. I hate when you put on mascara on your bottom lashes and it's like, they look like dead baby spiders. Like, give me some lashes. This is why I bought mascara, to give me lashes. Give me what I bought. Give me what I spent my money on. And to finish it all off, I'm gonna set it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Literally feels like I just put nothing on. Usually it's like squirting a water hose on your face. Literally everything I got, I really liked. Like, I'm looking at everything and I can't think of one thing that I didn't like. All right, so that completes my Black Friday no discount makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. But most importantly, you already know, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can stay along for the journey. Bye.